DisputeBee credit repair features, strengths, weaknesses. DisputeBee is a credit repair software designed to streamline the dispute process, primarily targeted towards credit repair businesses, but also usable by individuals. Key features include automated letter generation based on credit bureau reporting errors, a comprehensive client management system, direct integration with credit report providers like Identity IQ and credit monitoring, and robust reporting to track dispute effectiveness. The software allows for customization of dispute reasons and letter templates, enabling users to tailor their strategies. It's particularly strong in automating the traditionally tedious task of drafting and sending dispute letters, saving significant time and improving overall efficiency. DisputeBee is well suited for credit repair professionals handling a large volume of clients or individuals seeking a more structured approach to repairing their own credit. One of its primary strengths is its all-in-one platform, centralizing client data, credit report analysis, and dispute tracking in one location. However, its reliance on preset dispute templates and data imported from integrated services could be a weakness for users seeking highly customized or manual input methods. Furthermore, while DisputeBee automates the letter generation, the user still needs to identify the specific errors and choose appropriate dispute reasons, requiring a degree of credit repair knowledge. Another con is the pricing structure, which can be expensive for individuals compared to DIY methods or entry-level credit repair services, especially if the software isn't fully utilized. Finally, DisputeBee offers a strong feature set for those comfortable with technology and a structured approach. It's best suited for those who understand credit repair principles and wish to automate the administrative aspects. While the cost may be a barrier for some, the time saved and efficiency gains can justify the investment for serious users. Ultimately, DisputeBee is a powerful tool, but its effectiveness depends on the user's knowledge, tech savviness, and commitment to actively managing the dispute process within the framework the software provides. Assess your needs, budget, and technical aptitude to determine if DisputeBee is the right fit for your credit repair goals.